Imagine you're a CEO of a multinational corporation. You're juggling countless projects, teams, and deadlines. How do you keep everything organized and on track? You might think you need a complex, expensive project management tool. But what if I told you there's a simple, affordable solution that even the biggest companies are using? That solution is Trello. What is Trello? Trello is a visual collaboration tool that helps teams organize and manage projects. Think of it as a digital bulletin board where you can create cards, add lists, and assign tasks. How big companies use Trello. While Trello might seem like a simple tool, it's incredibly versatile. Here's how big companies are using it. Project management. Breaking down projects. Trello allows teams to break down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks. Assigning tasks. Each task can be assigned to specific team members, ensuring accountability. Tracking progress. The visual nature of Trello makes it easy to see the progress of each project. Team collaboration. Centralized communication. Trello serves as a central hub for team communication, eliminating the need for endless email threads. Real-time updates. Team members can see updates in real time, ensuring everyone is on the same page. File sharing. Attachments can be added to cards, making it easy to share documents and other resources. Customer relationship management, CRM. Managing customer interactions. Trello can be used to track customer interactions, from initial inquiries to follow-ups. Organizing leads. Leads can be organized into different pipelines, helping sales teams prioritize their efforts. Tracking customer satisfaction. Customer feedback and satisfaction can be tracked and analyzed. Product development. Managing product roadmaps. Product teams can use Trello to visualize their product roadmaps and track progress. Prioritizing features. Features can be prioritized based on importance and feasibility. Collaborating with designers and developers. Trello can facilitate collaboration between designers and developers, ensuring a smooth product development process. Examples of big companies using Trello. To illustrate the versatility of Trello, let's look at a few examples of big companies that are using it. Netflix. Netflix uses Trello to manage their content production pipeline, from idea generation to release. Airbnb. Airbnb uses Trello to organize their property listings and manage customer inquiries. Spotify. Spotify uses Trello to plan and execute their marketing campaigns. Benefits of using Trello. Using Trello can offer numerous benefits to businesses of all sizes, including increased productivity. By streamlining workflows and improving collaboration, Trello can help teams work more efficiently. Improved communication. Trello provides a centralized platform for communication, reducing misunderstandings and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Enhanced organization. Trello's visual interface makes it easy to organize and prioritize tasks, reducing clutter and improving focus. Cost-effective. Compared to other project management tools, Trello is relatively affordable, making it a great option for businesses on a budget. Getting started with Trello. If you're interested in trying Trello for your team, here are a few tips to get you started. Create a board. Start by creating a board for your project or team. Add lists. Break down your project into different stages or phases and create corresponding lists. Create cards. For each task or item, create a card and assign it to the appropriate list. Add details. Add more details to your cards, such as due dates, labels, and attachments. Collaborate with your team. Invite your team members to the board and assign tasks. Trello is a powerful and versatile tool that can help businesses of all sizes improve their productivity, communication, and organization. So, if you're looking for a simple, affordable, and effective way to manage your projects and teams, Trello is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.